If you want to download Photopea on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to install Photopea on a computer so you can use it like an app right from your desktop. This is a great option if you use Photopea often and want faster access without opening the website every time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to photopea.com. Once the site loads, you'll see the Photopea editor open in your browser. Now look at the top menu bar inside Photopea. Click on More and then choose Install Photopea. This is the built-in installation option that lets you add Photopea to your PC like a web app. After that, your browser will show a prompt asking if you want to install the app. When that window appears, simply click Install. In just a few seconds, Photopea will be added to your computer and you'll be able to launch it more easily from your app's desktop or browser menu depending on your system. Now, if you don't see that option inside Photopea, there's another way to install it using your browser toolbar. If you're using on the Google Chrome, look on the right side of the address bar for the Install Photopea icon. It usually looks like a small computer screen with a down arrow. Click that icon and then follow the prompt to install the app. If you don't see the icon, you can also click the three dots menu in Chrome, go to Save and Share, and then select Install Photopea. If you're using Microsoft Edge, the process is just as easy. In Edge, look for the app available icon in the address bar. Click it and then follow the installation steps. You can also click the three dots menu, go to Apps, and then choose Install Photopea. This gives you the same result and installs Photopea as an app on your PC. Once the installation is complete, you can open Photopea directly without having to type the website address every time. That makes it much more convenient if you edit images regularly, work on school projects, or use Photopea for content creation. It's basically the same tool, just easier to access. So to quickly recap, go to photopea.com, click More, then install Photopea and confirm the installation when prompted, or use the install option in Chrome or Edge from the browser toolbar. That's all it takes to download Photopea on your PC. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.